What's up guys, Hanif here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a free Lightroom mobile preset pack. So let's get started with the video. What's up guys, Hanif here. Before I continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember to turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now in this video, I will be giving guys a free Lightroom preset pack. The last preset pack that I gave was a desktop preset pack. So I'm going to be giving you guys a mobile preset pack for my mobile users. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the presets and how to apply it to your photos. So first thing you want to do is open your Lightroom app, and then you click this button right here. Then you make sure everything is set to RAW, so it only shows the DNG files. So I'll just import all of this. So these are the files you see when you have extracted the zip file in the link below. The files are important right now, so remember the download link is in the description below, so check that out. Click the link to download the presets, and also please subscribe to my channel before you download the presets. So remember to give this video a thumbs up and comment below if this video helps you. So I'm going to move over to the imported presets here. These are the presets that have been imported successfully. So these are the different presets. So any look that you want in your photo, if this is a raw image here, this has not been edited or anything yet. So maybe I want this orange and teal look on the photo. The first thing you want to do is click here, move over to copy settings. That's okay, settings have been copied. Now you move over to your raw image or your JPEG file, and then you paste the settings, so it will be automatically added to your image. Now I think you can also do some minor adjustments as well. Maybe if you want the image to be brighter, or if you want it to be darker, you can always do that. So this is before and this after. So I'm just going to show you guys another example of how this awesome preset really works well for your image, and I can apply it to your other images as well. So I'll move over to this one right here. This is my melanin gold preset. So I'm just going to move over here, copy settings. Okay, the settings have been copied. And then you move over to another image I have imported. Let's say this one, and then you paste the settings. As usual, you can always make some minor adjustments on the exposure and the shadows, whichever suits you. This a little before and this after. So this is a very useful and very nice simple presets you can use for your images. So if you like this video and this video is helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.